And ibibigay niya yung cards na yun.
Ang importante is communication. I think that's what it was.
Oo.
Communication. Kahit na wala kaming communication, meron akong pinagpapatuloy na iabot sa kanya. Through yung letters, pina-email ko sa sarili ko. One day, magkikita kayo ng daddy mo. Baliktarin mo naman. Write him letters, but send it to yourself.
Opo.
Diba? And then one day, give it to him.
Opo. Thank you.
Birthday niya, Christmas, whatever. Diba? Father's Day.
Si Ryan, ang serious ng tingin.
I don't know how to...
How do you speak Tagalog?
Well, I understand what you're saying, but
Yeah.
that or...
Do you celebrate Father's Day sa Korea?
Oh, no, we don't have Father's Day.
Walang Father's Day?
Oh, we have... No, we don't have, right? We have? Yeah, we don't have.
Wala. So,
Parents' Day.
Parents' Day.
Parents Day.
Sabay.
Anong day naman yun?
May 8.
Yeah, May 8.
Dito may Mother's Day, may Father's Day,
May 8.
Valentine's Day.
Oo nga.
O kasi sa ibang bansa, hindi nila sineselebrate pa yung Father's Day.
Oo nga.
Mother's
May 8
Day.
malayo pa kasi malapit na mag-Christmas eh.
Wow, oo nga. Mag-New Year na.
Few days na lang, Christmas na eh.
Kasi ikaw na-confused na pumasok lang tayo dito.
Wala na rin ako eh.
Wala na rin sense lang tayo.
Well, meron ba kayong gustong itanong sa amin? Yes.
Sige, go!
Tayo mag-start.
Sige, dyan.
Sige, James.
Dyan na lang. Juan, dyan na lang.
Sige, James.
Oh, James, this side.
My question is, what is the hardest thing, hardest challenge you had to overcome together?
Together?
Yeah.
Before seeing each other for the first time after 10 years? Well, okay.
May lamok din pala sa PBB house.
Okay, go.
May lamok din pala sa bahay ni Kuya.
Well, the hardest challenge for me, you want to go first?
Sorry.
Alam mo ka.
Tuwa lang ako.
Hindi lang ako.
Parang totoong buhay lang.
Okay, nasa ano tayo? Sa
Nasa
beach
beach
tayo.
tayo eh. Buti walang araw ngayon.
Ang mahirap is the separation. Before we saw each other. There are many nights na, here's a revelation from a father, no?
Revelation?
Miski ako, naiiyak ako sa gabi. Iniisip ko yung anak ko. I think about her.
I don't understand Tagalog.
Okay. I think about her and I cry every night. Not one night passes that I don't think about her. I mean, even if parents are together, there's not one night that they don't think about their children.